Friends, today we will discuss about the electrical motor. Motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. To get the rotational motion is called electric motor. What is the principle of motor? Fleming left hand rule. If a current carrying rectangular coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field, then according to the Fleming left hand rule, its two arms experience parallel, equal and opposite force having different line of action. The action of combining these two forces make the coil to rotate. Construction. It consists of the rectangular coil. It consists of the rectangular coil. PQRS. PQRS. This is a rectangular coil. This is called armature. Insulated copper wire are suspended in a uniform magnetic field. The end of the rectangular coil are connected to the two copper metallic split rings. These are the split rings. It is divided into two parts or split in two parts. That's why it is called split ring. C and D. It rotates along with the coil. The function of the commutator is the reverse the direction of the current through the coil after every half rotation. The external sources such as battery send the current to the coil through the key and conducting stationary brushes. These are the brushes X and Y. These are the two brushes slide over the split ring C and D. Now what is the working of the motor? Consider at the beginning the arm P, Q and RS are perpendicular to the direction of the applied magnetic field. These are the perpendicular just like this. PQ and RS are perpendicular to the direction of applied magnetic field. Let the current in the coil flows along with the path PQRS. This is the current pass from PQRS. Then according to the Fleming left hand rule, a downward force acts on the arm PQ, pushes it downward. PQ, just like this, PQ move downward and RS move upward. PQ pushes it downward and an upward force on RS pushes it upward. These forces cause the coil to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, just like this. This is at the parallel position, then it moves it into the anti-clockwise direction about its own axis. After completing half rotation, it will again move due to the split ring interchanges, due to which direction of current in the coil get reversed and the current flows along the path FRQP. Again, according to the Fleming left hand rule, the force acting on the arm PQ and RS also get reversed. This makes the coil to rotate and complete the next half cycle of rotation in the same direction. First at move P and Q move downward, then it will change direction and complete its rotation, full rotation in the same direction. Thus, the interchanging of split ring at each half turn make the coil to rotate continuously in the same direction as long as the current is passing through it. Power of electric motor can be enhanced by using an electromagnet, increasing the number of turns in the coil and using a soft iron core. Now, what are the uses of the motor? Electric motor are used in the electric fan, water pump, mixer, refrigerator, washing machine, computer, DVD player, etc. Thank you.